Welcome to the AI Research Roundup. I'm Alex. Today we are looking at a paper trending on X, published on October 20th, 2025, about 5 days ago. The headline is simple. This paper introduces a steerable multi-agent research system that outperforms state-of-the-art agentic systems on open benchmarks without any human steering. The paper is titled Enterprise Deep Research, Steerable Multi-Agent Deep Research for Enterprise Analytics. And as we will see later, the implications for enterprise analytics are quite significant. Beyond the scores, this paper delivers a transparent, auditable workflow with planning, specialized search, visualization, and reflection, plus real-time human steering and release trajectories for reproducibility. Also, the author shared a full implementation on GitHub. You'll find the multi-agent research engine, a fast API backend and React frontend, plus benchmarks and the EDR 200 trajectories. There's a quick start with environment setup, provider keys and supported models, CLI and web demos, example agents and tools, and tests for benchmarking and visualization. Alright, the previous segment highlighted the code release and demos. Figure 1 shows the end-to-end enterprise deep research pipeline, where a master research agent decomposes a user query, the to-do manager records tasks, and specialized agents search general web, academic, GitHub, and LinkedIn sources. The tool ecosystem adds NL to SQL, file analysis, and visualization, so the system composes a streaming research report. The reflection mechanism detects knowledge gaps and pushes replanning, which enables optional human steering through the to-do.md state. This layout makes reasoning transparent and steerable across long horizons. So the previous figure laid out the pipeline. Figure 3 shows the live research screen, which keeps work transparent because every action and citation appears with status and provenance. The left pane presents the running summary, retrieve sources, and the current step. The right pane tracks the versioned progress list, separating pending tasks from recently completed ones. A queued steering message sits at the bottom, waiting for the reflection phase before it updates the to-do plan. So, the previous figure showed the live workflow. Table 1 reports deep research bench results, which compare overall quality, subscores, citation accuracy, tokens, and cost. Enterprise Deep Research posts an overall 49.86, with instruction following and readability around 50, citation accuracy 72, using about 54 million tokens for $117. The system beats most alternatives and uses roughly 4 times fewer tokens than LangChain Open Deep Research, which consumed about 207 million. Okay, the previous table covered Deep Research Bench. Table 3 reports coverage percentages across 7 research domains and research QA, plus average response length. Enterprise Deep Research scores 68.5 overall, with domain results clustered near 68 to 70, peaking around economics at about 70, and life sciences near 70. It also produces shorter outputs at about 220 words, while several baselines range from roughly 270 to 790. A footnote notes only 2 research loops, which could cap both length and coverage. Alright, the previous table summarized research QA coverage. Table 2 reports deep consult head-to-head outcomes, which compare win, tie, and lose rates, along with an average quality score. Enterprise Deep Research leads with a 72% win rate, a 19% tie rate, only 9% losses, and an average score of 6.82. Several baselines trail it. For example, Gemini 2.5 Pro Deep Research wins about 61% with a lower average score. 2 takeaways stand out. A steerable multi-agent framework that keeps reasoning transparent and auditable through tasks, provenance, and reflection, and strong results that beat leading systems without human steering while cutting wasteful tokens. The broader implication is practical enterprise research that is controllable, verifiable, and deployable. That is it for this episode of the AI Research Roundup. I am Alex. Thanks for listening.